to life, positivity, and everything that we are grateful about. And this is the wine video. So I made this wine at home. And if you're new to my channel, I am Bharti and I make videos on food, travel, lifestyle, books, and anything under the sun. And in today's video, I will show you कि मैंने लॉकडाउन में घर पे बैठे बैठे ये ग्लास ऑफ वाइन कैसे बनाया. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. But wait! This tastes real good. It's good.
These are all the ingredients that you will need. Here I have 2 kilos of grapes, 100 grams wheat, kesar soaked in water, ginger peas approximately of this size, 10 pieces of elaichi, 10 pieces of long, 2 tablespoon yeast, dalchini sticks to medium size and 1 kilogram of sugar. Firstly, start washing the grapes. Give them a nice wash under tap water. Transfer the washed grapes in the big vessel or patila like this.
So now I have put 2 kilos of grapes with 2 liters of water for boiling. You can see कि ये boil हो रहा है. Okay, you can see. And जब तक ये boil हो रहा है तब तक I'm going to prepare my other ingredients. So Larissa actually used a beetroot for the color. मुझे मार्केट में beetroot मिला नहीं तो I'm using केसर. So ये जो केसर है ये केसर को मैंने पानी में भिगा दिया है. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil it up and I will strain this water and this will give my wine an orangish or yellowish color. Let's see, I'm excited. मतलब we have heard about white wine, red wine, ever heard about yellow wine?
Next, take the wheat, clean them a little and wash them under water and let them rest. Start peeling the ginger. This ginger has 2 branches like this. So what you need to do is cut open it like so, and the skin you see here, scrap it off too.
Are you confused कि आप घर पे बैठे बैठे 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ शुगर कैसे मेजर करोगे? Well, my father gave me a solution, so let me show you.
Take a normal glass at your home like this. This is about 250 ml, which is approximately 250 grams. Fill this up with sugar and repeat it 4 times. For the yeast, mix the yeast with some hot water and keep it aside.
Guys, wine making is actually a process. मतलब ये जो मेरा प्यारा सा ग्रेप्स का वाटर सिरप है ये कब से बॉईल हो रहा है. एंड एज मेंशन द ग्रेप्स शुड ब्रेक ओपन. देयर आर फ्यू ग्रेप्स जो वैसे ब्रेक ओपन हो चुके हैं बट सारे ग्रेप्स नहीं हुए हैं. And it is patience, like it is patience. You can see with all the sweat and the draining of energy that has happened. Well, the good news is कि मेरे बाकी ingredients are all ready. My color, like saffron का जो color है, that is ready. My yeast is ready. My wheat is ready. Sugar is ready. और क्या रेडी है? हाँ, मतलब अदरक को भी मस्त पे की वैसे ब्रेक करके खोल दिया है. दालचीनी सब कुछ रेडी है. बस this baby out there is taking a lot of time, but let's wait, it's okay. And it's time to separate the grapes from the water. My grapes from the water. This is what my grape water looks like and these are my grapes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let the grapes cool down completely, let the water cool down completely, and then I'm going to crush the grapes into the blender.
The consistency of grape mixture should be like this. You need grape syrup plus pieces of grapes too. Look how gorgeous it is. Moving further, time to mix all the ingredients. Add all of the sugar, then goes elaichi and long. Here goes crushed adrak. Break the dalchini sticks. Add all the washed wheat. Strain the kesar. Now goes the grape water. Mix all of this well and at the end add the yeast. Close the lid and store the wine in a place that is undisturbed. Let it rest nicely.
Also, the other day I had 2 glasses of this wine and I woke up with a hangover. It hit me hard. You should ask my family how was I behaving that day when I had 2 glasses of this wine. So it works. You can get get high, enjoy your time by making this wine at home. Guys, I really want to give you an important tip that ये जो wine है ना, since it's homemade and it has lot of ingredients जो hot हैं, like दालचीनी is garam, ginger is garam, so all the ingredients that are there, they are hot for the body. So please be mindful when you drink it. For all my beautiful ladies, it might affect your heat cycle क्योंकि ये बहुत गर्म है. तो just take care of that. You can make it, enjoy it, and as per your body type, maybe just add a little bit of water if you don't have that much resistance to heat or the ingredients that do heat to the body. I had fun shooting this video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and I hope you all are staying at home, staying at safe, and make sure that you are sane, peaceful, grateful, and I will see you in my next video super duper soon. Until then, take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.